What's going on, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back, more tech, more reviews, and I finally got this stylus right here in hand. This is from the company Goojodoq. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that right, but this is a third-party stylus for the iPad Pro. Any of those models that use an Apple Pencil, this will work with. I kind of like it, and I kind of got some concerns, but this is a magnetic stylus that also charges magnetically as well. So let's talk about it. All right, so magnetic Apple Pencil replacement that actually charges magnetically. I'm gonna turn this upside down and you can see the light right there flashing. It is charging. So it does charge, it does stick magnetically, it does charge magnetically. Now, this thing also supports tilt recognition, and it also does not support pressure sensitivity. So basically, if you're looking just to pick up a stylus for your Apple Pencil, this is where you're gonna get it. It comes with two separate tips in the box, and it actually comes in 3 different colors. So the color that I chose is definitely black because we've all been waiting on like some type of black Apple Pencil, whatever. But the price on here is 32 bucks, and they do have a 15% off coupon that you can go and clip. Now, I can't pronounce that name. I'm gonna throw it up on the screen so you can see it. But like I said, third-party stylus. And all right, so this device actually boasts, it has like 8,000 hours of battery life. It is currently on. This is the on off button up here on the top. If you press that, it turns it on. If you hold it down, it will turn it off. Right now, the device is on. Now, I do have a paper-like screen on this actual device, so it does feel like you are writing on paper. Let us open up notes and we will just go ahead and get started with some testing. So one of the first things we want to make sure that we do have on here up front is palm rejection. So they do say that they have palm rejection, fingers resting on the screen, and we do have palm rejection. It works. All of the Apple Pencil functions such as screenshot from corner, quick notes from corner, all that works. Scribble, one of the biggest things because a lot of people like to use Scribble. Pretty accurate. All right, looks good. It did mess up one of my question marks for the number 2, but we will accept that. My question marks do look a little questionable sometimes. There we go. All right, now, big thing, pressure sensitivity, we already know is not gonna be there, but does it have the tilt recognition? Because in their actual advertisement, they say that the tilt recognition or the tilt function is highly sensitive. So let's see. Biggest thing that we can always test out is the highlighter tool. So highlighter tool, if you do this and then, oh, it works. So your line should get thicker if you turn it to the side. So tilt recognition is on board. So we do have palm rejection, we have tilt recognition, we have a super long battery life on here. And like I said, it does charge magnetically to the top, it sticks to the top. You don't really have to worry about any issues. My new favorite tool, there we go. Drawing shapes, it does go ahead and complete those shapes for you. So everything like literally tests out really well with this device. Now, one thing that I did have kind of some issues with is when I first started using it, it didn't pick up like as fluid as it is now, but it seems to be doing pretty good. So I'm not really having any issues right now. Let's see, boom, 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 erase, erase, erase. All that looks good. So like I said, it's a really good buy. If you want to go by and check it out, it's like 30 bucks. They're giving you 15% off right now, and they will have these on sale throughout the year. One other thing that we did want to test is one of my favorite cases. All right, so right here, I do have my Zugu Case in the executive brown color. What I'm going to do is just pop this in. And what we really want to make sure is that this pencil will still hold, because this is a case I use on a regular basis. So we want to make sure that, number one, it will still hold on the side magnetically, and boom, 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 it's still charging. So no issues with the charge, no issue with the hold. One of my favorite cases. I use this case pretty much every day, no matter what situation I'm in. It allows me to be able to write, draw, do everything that I need to do. You got standing angles, and you can bear down as you write on this. Let's just get a quick demo of this, and we're gonna, okay. Okay, bear down, bear down, bear down, da, 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 all that good stuff. So this case is one that I stand behind 100%. It's super sturdy, and they got some of the best customer service. So I'm gonna drop a link to this down below. If you wanna know more about the PaperLike screen protector that I have, I'm gonna leave a link down below to that. And I'll also leave a link to this case, one of the best in the game, the Zugu Case. But hopefully this has been able to help someone out. And if you are looking for an alternative to that Apple Pencil that costs 129 bucks, go by and check this one out. I don't think you will be disappointed. All right, so until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.